Hello guys, Richie here at AutoLabPro. Thanks for tuning in. So listen, today, real quick video. One of my customers has a 2009 Caddy Escalade, really nice truck. She's complaining that on command she's not getting any airflow through the front vents. The rear AC blower is working, the front is not. So real quick, I want to show you something. Okay. So this is the passenger footwell. Okay. Passenger footwell. This is a panel in the passenger footwell. Two 7mm screws hold this panel on. When you pull that panel down, the blower motor is housed inside of here, as so. Okay, that's where it's housed at. Now, I know this one was bad. Basically, when I took this down, I put 12 volts to this blower motor and I got nothing. And then I put 12 volts to the brand new one. Obviously it's working great. So it literally takes 10 minutes to change this blower motor. Took the bad one out, swapped the harness. Now we're gonna put the good one in, and then put my two screws back in. This just snaps in. There's a tab right here. So to get the old one out, you want to bend the tab and unscrew it. To put the new one in, you want to put the new one in correctly where it fits, where it snaps in place, and then turn it to the right to lock it in place. And that's it. That's pretty much a blower motor on a Cadillac Escalade. Not a long job at all. All right. Thanks for watching. This is Rich at AutoLabPro. Stay tuned. We'll see you in the next video.